I'm going to start at the old Google Sites because I think the link is easy to miss. You go over here and click New Google Sites. Now it seems obvious, but I couldn't find it for a while. And then another thing I think is a little tricky is there's really no like giant new site button. It's down here. It's this plus. So I'm going to click that Create New Site. And I'm just going to go through a few of the initial setup things just so that it's demystified and then you'll be off and running. Here's your page title. I'm going to call this Quick Sites Advisory Committee. And that is actually different than the site name, which is what shows up in your bookmarks and search results and stuff. So I'll call that Quick Bites. Make it a little shorter. You can add a logo here. I'm going to upload Quick Bites header. And then in some themes that you can select, it will use the logo color for the theme. It does ask you what you want your background color to be. So if you upload a maroon logo or something, it'll pull that maroon. So it's kind of nice to brand stuff pretty quickly. So I'm going to add some text here. So I want that welcome to the site to be more like a title. So I'll do that. And then maybe I want to put in a link back to the blog to be sure people have that handy. So I'm going to do that. It's kind of nice. It pulls in a little block, which I can actually drag around. And then just for a little flair, I want to add an image of IT Gold. So now this is something that continues to confuse me, but images is for images that are already located online somewhere, either on your Google Drive or you can like search Google and stuff. But upload is for images that are living on your computer right now and you want to add them. So I'm going to add that little picture of IT Goldie. And that too, I can drag around. You can see the little blue bar is showing me different places I can put it. I'm going to drag it under there as part of kind of this right block. And then I want to show you how you can add pages to make this more of a site. So I went to Pages. I'm going to say Schedule. It's popping these up into this top ribbon navigation. You can change that if you want to have side navigation over here. I click the gear, navigation mode, side navigation. Now they show up in a little menu like that, which will fly out. It's showing you the fly out animation. It only does that if you're on a smaller screen. So that's how, I'm not going to build the pages because it's the same as the front page, but also under themes, this is where you can just quick preview some themes. Probably more interesting on the home page to see what you're doing. So you can change. So one thing I want to mention is like, if you're used to being able to change the colors of these or your text or add special things in, that's not really a functionality here. So you need to work within the theme. So you can do simple and then select, it's all kind of awful, teal. I'm gonna see what else we've got. Maybe down here, level. And then yellow. Yeah, see, that kind of fits the best with it, I think. When in doubt, like gray, also a good choice. So here's where you add editors. Who else can edit the site? Right now, it's just me. So when you click publish, it'll ask you, do you want the whole world, anyone on the web to see it, or anyone at U of M? Those are your only choices. So it's a little different than the last Google Sites. The eyeball here is preview. I use this all the time. So you can do, this is what it looks like on a large screen. That's what it looks like on a tablet. That's what it looks like on a mobile device. You can see our menu has gone up into the menu hamburger. Gonna X out of that, back to here. One thing to be aware of is when you do click publish, you do need to re-click publish every time you edit the site, and it will republish the entire site. So not just the one page that you are viewing right now. It does republish your entire site. So if you've made some draft changes on a different page, you want to be sure that you, I don't know, maybe cut those out before you click publish because they will go online. So that's Google Sites. I hope you experiment and enjoy, and leave a comment if you found a feature that you want to share. Thank you.